Conversations start really at home and in the classroom, and that's what one group in Arundel County is doing, heading to class.
That's right. The county's health department started a program called Not My Child, aimed at educating parents and students about substance abuse and really the dangers that it can bring.
All right, ABC 2 News' Skylar Henry had a roundtable with members of the group who say as the days go by, more and more people are being affected by heroin, and it's time to step in and save lives.
There is a point where you're so low, like they're really, it's like hell on earth.
By now, the problem is an epidemic.
These overdoses are happening in public places. People who are calling, a person could be in their car slumped over and they're calling for help.
Skyrocketing numbers of overdoses and death, all from this, heroin.
The community needs to do a little shifting and open up a little bit and realize how difficult this disease is and how it can just in an instant ruin the rest of your life, the rest of your family. Holidays are never the same. Birthdays are never the same.
These four ladies are fighting to end the increase of addiction in Arundel County.
We can't have that denial piece at this point. It is happening, and so we need to open the conversation up to the community.
Two Jens, Sandy and Mandy, are just a few of the people who are on a speaking panel for Not My Child.
I had no intention of burying my son, and yet we did.
It's a program with the county's health department geared towards fighting back against heroin.
Having that conversation at the dinner table or when they come home from school or after a sporting event, and just start having the conversation day in and day out with your child about substance use.
All of the women know, work with, or have seen the effects heroin has on families, in some cases firsthand.
You want to stop so bad, but you can't. Like I didn't want to go out and I didn't want to do those drugs, but I couldn't stop. I couldn't stop.
But Jen did, and she says her experiences help bridge the gap when she's speaking in schools.
I just want to let young people know that you can stop it before it gets to that point. Like, you can't arrest your addiction.
The group travels to schools across the county, telling students about the dangers of substance use and abuse.
Addiction cannot be beaten. It's just not a disease that ever is beaten. It's a disease that you constantly fight every day.
And the ladies are pleading for people to be proactive.
Call now before there's an overdose. We don't have to wait until someone's almost lost their life to help them.
It's helped dozens, if not hundreds of people in the county need, and the group is hoping parents get active and say, "Not my child."
This is not a joke. Your life is not a joke, because you could be that child in the casket whose mother's crying over them. And when I saw that in that moment...
Now, the group plans to continue speaking at schools in the county again beginning on January 4th. Now, if you want more information about the Not My Child program, give them a call. The number is 410-222-1527.